Hello everyone. I just got a call from my customer. So this is a callback. The customer is complaining about this fridge is not getting cold anymore. If you remember, the problem of this fridge was a blockage. Now the problem is a leakage, and I did check my joints. I can see there's nothing wrong. There's no leakage. There's no oil. As I already opened inside to check the evaporator, I just found out there is a leakage here. As you can see, there is a hole there from this evaporator. So this evaporator is leaking. Now I'm checking the double fridge side for the freezer side, sorry. Now I'm trying to hold it and check if there is a leakage. I like to double check, but I did hear the sound. Now I'm trying to do these bubbles and check. Now I can see that the gas is pushing away the bubbles. This is the kind of the fridge. This is a side by side Samsung. So I'm thinking about to cut the pipe and add with other maybe small pipe. Cut it here and here. As I'm done cutting it, then I'll show you how this pipe was look like, or so I'll show you the holes. As you can see, the holes, there's two big holes. These holes from manufacturer. So the technician, they must also double check it every time they maybe fix the fridge that is not doesn't have a gas. As you can see, I just add a long pipe because on that undercover I found out there is a leakage too. So I brace this copper with this aluminum, as you can see there. So now there's no leakage. So now it's fine. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and keep ask question. I will do it. I will answer it. Sorry. Thank you. Bye bye.